Hi everyone, here we've got Meizu 16th and let me show you how to update apps. So first of all, you have to open the Play Store, click for more and choose My Apps and Games. And here, as you can see, we've got all installed apps which can be updated. If you want, you can click on Update All and all of them will be updated. And if not, you can choose only one. So let me choose, for example, Gmail. Click on Update, and as you can see, it is downloading now and updating. After installing it, it will be successfully updated to the newest version. And that's all. This is how you update apps in your Meizu 16th. And if you find that this video was helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.